Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Engineer X. Number 3 naman tayo, solve properties, no? Chapter 1 pa rin tayo. A specimen of moist clay has a mass of 180 grams. After oven drying, the mass is reduced to 160 grams. What is the moisture content of the sample? So, ano ba yung given? Mass. Moist, no? So, ibig sabihin, yan yung mass niya. Total, ibig sabihin water content yan, no? After oven dry, the mass is reduced to 160. So, reduced to, so ibig sabihin yan yung mass niya na dry siya, no? What is the moisture content? Okay. So, kung natatandaan nyo dun sa diagram natin, ayan, no? Wala dyan yung mass. Siyempre, pag dinivide mo by G, yung weight dyan, mass yun, diba? Ano yung natatandaan yung formula ni moisture content? Water content din yan, o moisture content. So, W, water content, diba? So, regarding weight ng water yan. Anong, di ba ratio lang to? Weight of water divided by ano? Weight of solids. So, sana naalala yan, no? Weight of water over weight of solids. So, paano yung other equation niya uli? Sinabi ko nga, kunento ko naman na, usually, hindi binibigay diretso yung weight of water na yan. Pinapasolve pa yan. Paano pinapasolve? Binibigay niya si moist. Ima-minus mo si weight niya pagkatapos niya ma-oven dry, di ba? So, ang water content natin is yung mass niya nung moist, minus mo yung mass niya nung na-dry siya. Yung weight of solid dyan, siya din yung mass na na-dry. Okay. So, sana naalala yan, no? Okay, yan yung formula natin. Ibig sabihin, 180 to mass na na-dry, na-reduce to 160. So, 160 yan. Mass na na-dry yung denominator, no? 160. So, yan. Siyempre, 12.5%. So, sana pareho tayo na solve.